Okay, good morning. I just want to show us a quick video on how the external partner registration or enrollment will take place. Okay, here I've done a demo registration for a partner using my own detail, as you can see. Now, there are two ways to do the partnership. Is either the external partner will choose to register or enroll here on my house, or the church may register the partner, themselves. Now, if the member wishes that the church does the registration, now the super admin or the partnership department will use this form. As a super admin, you see it here. So external partners. Now you click this form. So you click that button to open this page. And here you add a new external partner. And please do not forget to send this password to the partner, because this is their default password to log into the system. Okay. Now, but if on the other you want to broadcast the link to external partners, maybe send it to members to share to whoever they want, that can also be done. All you need to do, the super admin or the partnership department will come here and click on this share external partnership link, and that will open this page. Now, as you can see, the name of this church that I'm using is called Redemption Ministries, and you see here the church equal to Redemption Ministries, and also here enroll as partner with Redemption Ministries. But I think I may need to make this a little, so in case the church name is long, so let me just permit me to just do a small code somewhere to make that small, so in case the name of the church is long, it will fit into the page. Okay, so let me refresh. I just did a small code in somewhere. Okay, then I can also make it italics. Okay, so just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so member will know that he's enrolling as a partner with Redemption Ministries. Now, I believe this menu space here should be able to take another name in case the name of the church is long. Okay. Now, I also made this portion open. Okay, so you see that as a member, of course, when the members are registering, these 4 boxes here will be hidden. They'll be hidden. Now, what they do is, once they send in their details, the system will capture the name of the church code, the members' SMS group, in case there will be SMS group in the future, and the members' partner, the members' user level when logging in. Now, let me share my code page with you, so I know you may not understand the jargons on the page, but just for the purpose of this demonstration. Now, this is exactly what you saw here. Let me show you. Now, this church you're seeing here represent this one, and this church code represent this one, and the SMS group represent this one, and the level represent this one. So as the member is filling the form, the church detail, because it is showing here, will be captured here, and the church code also will be captured using this link. Okay, and these are all manual. So this is how the detail will be sent to the particular church. Okay, so this is how the system is going to work. Now, once this form is filled, the detail will be captured immediately. Now, okay, let me also make something a bit open somewhere. Now, you see, I didn't show us how the members' user account will be created or by default. Now here you have the password. Now once the member or the partner rather enters his or her username, email here, for example, so automatically this form is filled. Okay, let me clear the page again. See, nothing here, nothing on this middle, the third box here, and nothing here. But once I fill this email with content, this box is the email, the username, and the added by will automatically be filled. Okay, now let me show you. Let me do an example. I'm using my email here. Now you see that it has automatically assigned the username to this box, and also the added by here. So this is what the partner will use to log into the system. Okay, and then with this password. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much. If there's any issue, let me know. Thank you.